Hey everyone, let's crush domain 6 of your GH-600 exam, focusing entirely on essential agent guardrails.
So how do we give AI right access without totally wrecking production? By building ironclad architectural boundaries.
The golden rule to remember: agents just propose things. It's the humans and policies that actually accept.
Picture a funnel of trust. You've got to assess every single task across these three specific risk axes. If any one of those risks triggers a yes, this rule immediately escalates it to a human. All right, let's look at how that actually plays out in a live pull request governance flow.
Code owners is huge. If an AI touches sensitive files, it instantly pings the exact right human experts. Add in environment protection rules, and deployments are completely blocked until a real human says, go.
Watch out for this massive exam trap. Do not mix up agent secrets with standard action secrets.
Seriously, write this down. Agents do not inherit normal CI secrets. They have their own distinct boundary. Okay, moving down to runtime limitations. How exactly do we stop nasty prompt injection leaks from happening?
The absolute best defense? The agent firewall. It literally blocks all outbound internet access to stop leaks.
Plus, GitHub steps in and proactively filters out sneaky hidden HTML characters right at the source.
Let's talk execution boundaries. Just remember, only users who actually have write access can trigger the agent.
And before any workflow runs, that write access user has to explicitly click a button to approve it.
Here's a classic trick question. The person who triggers the agent cannot approve that agent's PR.
Finally, every single agent commit is signed and co-authored, so you've always got a perfect audit trail. You've got the guardrails down for the exam, but ask yourself, what happens when they actually fail?